Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'm gonna be doing Realme 1 water test. This phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P60 and it's 3GB of RAM with 32GB of storage variant. And there's two more variants with 4GB of RAM with 64GB of storage and this 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage. It has this glossy diamond black 3D design on the back and it looks different from every angle, which looks very amazing. And as you can see, the phone is fully working. So before we get started, Realme 1 giveaway is going on my channel. To participate, all you have to do is like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel and comment down below what's the best thing you like about this phone. I will randomly pick the winner and announce the winner on 12th June on my social media. So make sure you follow me on social media. So yeah, let's get started. Now I'm gonna put this phone in. Now I'm gonna start the timer and start filling up the water. I'm gonna keep this phone in the water for 1 minute. The Realme 1 is not water resistant. Let's see if the Realme 1 can survive in the water test. And the Realme 1 is not responding to the touches in the water. Let's flip this phone. Flip it back again. The phone have been in the water for more than 30 seconds and as you can see, the display is still on. And the phone is still not responding to the touches. Now let's take out this phone from the water. The phone have been in the water for 1 minute. Let's clean the phone and let's see if it still works. And as you can see, the phone is fully working. And also the phone is now very responsive to the touch. The water went inside the headphone jack and in the speaker. Let's see if the speaker is working. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing and today I'll be doing Realme 1 unboxing. There's also a little surprise for you guys in this video, so watch this video till the end. The speaker is working without any problem and it's loud and clear. And also the face unlock is working and as you can see, it quickly unlocks the phone when I press the power button. The front camera is also working without any problem. The water didn't went inside the camera. Let's see if the camera is working. And as you can see, the camera is working and it takes photos with good details and contrast. So yeah, the Realme 1 survived my water test. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.